Well, with his win in WSBK this weekend, that guy, Danilo Petrucci, has done something, correct me if I'm wrong, maybe I am, but I don't think so, something that no one else has ever done. And this is kind of cool when you think about it. So obviously he won in WSBK this weekend. He's won in MotoGP. He's won in Moto America, and he's also won in the Dakar. So there's four different series. Technically, three different bikes, four different bikes. The SBK bike is definitely different than the Moto America Ducati. Like they have different rule sets and tires and everything. So it is a different bike. And for him to go to multiple different continents under multiple different rules with multiple different bikes, obviously a KTM and technically three Ducatis, and win, 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 win. That's pretty cool when you actually think about it, and that's a lot of skill to be able to do something like obviously Moto America, WSBK, MotoGP. Yes, they are different bikes, different speeds, different rules, but it's still road racing. Like you're still on a track, it's pretty close to the same thing. But when you look at the Dakar, very, very different, completely different bike, completely different style of bike, off-road racing, and that's a big change, but also very cool of him to be able to do something like this for so long, uh, be competitive for so long, and keep going. I mean, obviously do what you like, but do what you love, and I don't know. Congrats to him. Tell me though, do you watch WSBK? Are you just a off-road fan, Moto America? Maybe you're just a motocross fan, whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.